Welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create your Collably account using Google Sign-In. It's the quickest and easiest way to get started. Let's begin. Open your web browser and go to www.collably.fastvalue.in. Once the website loads, click the login link in the top right corner of the screen, and it will take you to Google Sign-In page. On the login page, click on Continue with Google. If you're using Google Chrome and you're already signed in, you'll see a list of your Google profiles on the screen. If you're not already signed in, Google will ask you to sign in first. One important thing you should know that when you sign in with Google, Collably never sees or stores your Google password. Your sign-in is handled securely by Google. This method is trusted and used by thousands of applications worldwide. However, when you choose this login method, Collably will see your public profile information like name and email address. When you are ready, simply select the account you want to use and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the authentication process. In just a few moments, you'll be redirected to your Collably dashboard. Notice that your name and email address are automatically filled in using your Google account information. That's it. You've successfully created your Collably account. Next, create a collaboration.